Dear colleagues and friends, my name is Piotr Suwalski and I'm the director of the National Medical Institute of the Ministry of Interior and Administration in Warsaw. And this is my great joy and privilege to invite you to the EACTS Arrhythmia Course in Warsaw, which will be held from 20 to 21st of June this year. We will try to be as hybrid as possible, and I'm very proud to announce that we're gonna have joint sessions with ERA, so for the first time in history, and it means that we will have the best authorities, best experts, best speakers from both catheter and surgical worlds, and we will talk about starting from basics to really cutting-edge technology, both in concomitant, standalone and hybrid treatment of atrial fibrillation, but also other arrhythmias, which I find very interesting. But also we'll talk about the left atrial appendage management and TLR. I'm very happy also to inform you that we're gonna have a keynote lecture from Dr. Jim Cox, and we are here in Warsaw very proud to have him. Our discussions for 2 days will be illustrated with live cases broadcasted from our ORs, also live in-box presentations and other superb presentations. And finally, last but not least, I hope you would be also interested in simply getting together, networking and having some social program in a beautiful town of Warsaw. So again, most cordial invitation, and see you all in Warsaw in June. Thank you.